exacting procedure as a murder in a form of experimentation and human body. At saka kasi may din naman kasi kung embryonic stem cell procedure. Dahil kaya sinasabi ng mga tao na this kind of procedure is always a healing process. Hindi sa ibang tao lang yun. Pero, kaya inanong ng mga researchers na isn't that evidence enough that ESPR or embryonic stem cell research have already helped people. Actually, ESPR is done is how probably more damage than helps human. The whole argument behind on this research is that these are the potential, is more of potential proofs, not science view. Kasi merong experimental China na nangyari na there was a man with a Parkinson's disease was injected with a fetal and embryo cells. He died and unexpectedly after improving quickly. His autopsy revealed that the cause by that his death was caused by the unexpected growth of bone, skin, and hair with his brain. Kasi nga diba, are most undifferentiated cells, so they don't become what researchers want them to become. Kasi hindi ba ang stem cells is more on pluripotent and pluripotent capacity, which means they are capable in producing of different specific types of cells. Kaya hindi na nakapatado kung anong pwede i-produce ng stem cells na yun. How valuable is the claim that the embryo has human life in itself? At then the spermatozoon and ovule, which are the unfertilized eggs, the human embryo has immanent capacity to develop itself into child, into infant, child, and adult. Whereas once the sperm cells and egg cells unite, they are clearly alive and contain human DNA. And everyone knows that the newborn baby is a human life. It's not just a human life, but a human person. Kaya it's not considered by US. As compared to his father, the human embryo, at the different set of human embryo from a child or adult in terms of size, location, and development are not philosophically and morally relevant. It's just like that ESPR or embryonic stem cell research. It is a cycle which is built in the process, not an embryo or a fetus. It is at this point they haven't developed into both